确的教育与引导的点。
In order to be on the righteous path, we need to have the correct education and guidance.
性心身是一贯的，性在心思万计，身运万能，性去心思尽失，身运不动，一句死诗而已。
Our true nature, mind, and body are one. Without the true nature, our mind and body are useless.
第4个字是放出去，无所不在。
The fourth word means permeating. The greatness of our true nature can permeate the universe.
第5个字是收回来，回到玄关窍里。
The fifth word means contracting. Our true nature can contract and return to the heavenly portal.
我们的自性是无所不在的，而且自性是没有分别、没有对待的，才称为无极。无到极点，就是没有分别对待。
Our true nature is everywhere. It is absolute. It doesn't discriminate or judge. Thus, it is also known as Uji, which means genuine emptiness.
弥勒也有慈爱之意，修行上，让慈爱布满这个宇宙，就如同老母及诸佛菩萨对众生的爱是没有空间的限